Ready to turn clutter into cash? Imagine transforming unused items into profit on eBay. First, snap clear, eye-catching photos of your product. Write an engaging title that grabs buyers' attention. Craft a detailed description that highlights key features. Set a competitive price to attract bids. Boost your listing visibility with eBay's promotional tools. Answer buyer questions promptly to build trust. Watch the bids roll in and feel the excitement. Once sold, package your item securely. Print a shipping label directly from eBay for convenience. Ship your package promptly to ensure happy customers. Track the shipment and keep your buyer informed. Leave feedback for the buyer to encourage positive reviews. Enjoy the satisfaction of a successful sale. Repeat the process and grow your eBay business. Ready to start your eBay journey? Turn your listings into sales today. Don't wait, your buyers are out there. Join millions of successful eBay sellers now. Sign up and list your first item today. Experience the thrill of selling on eBay. Maximize your earnings with eBay's tools. From listing to shipping, we've got you covered. Start selling on eBay and see the results. Every sale brings you closer to your goals. Transform your selling experience with eBay. Get started now and turn your items into cash. List, promote, ship, and succeed on eBay. Your eBay success story begins today.